forgotten how far it is. We are in front of the Hotel Canadian Hotel in Aquila, L'Aquila technically, L apostrophe Aquila, 3T Exploro. All packed up, ready to go. Sure it's not that way? I hope. I'm going to try not to fall off on the first bit of gravel. The problem here is the locals. They're a little bit territorial, and they've also got big horns. Here, Belays. Oh, he's threatening. He's very good. He's made them go away. Oh, we're at 1,150 meters. I haven't taken any video up until now because it has been so difficult, so challenging. Sand, like deep sand, deep gravel. I'm supposed to be taking photos, but honestly, like, it's a struggle just to keep up with the group on this surface. Now we're almost at the top of this first climb, so hopefully when we get up there we'll get some nice views. First puncture. Oh, about halfway through the day's riding now, and averaging only 15 kilometers an hour, which is still hard work. You can see the surface. I'm struggling to hold the camera and ride the bike at the same time. It's tough. See what I mean? Oh, lovely view though. Oh yeah. We have arrived at the lunch spot.
Il panorama del mercato del bike packing integrato, cioè ancora tutti sono legati a cerca la strada.
Second climb of the day. Unfortunately, this one on asphalt. It's easier, isn't it easier? Yes, he means yes. We are at 1,500 meters. The views are incredible, but it's tough work. The last hill we were going about 4 or 5 kilometers an hour. I know that because my Garmin kept pausing, and my Garmin pauses at 4 kilometers an hour. We were pushing the bikes. Pushing. It's anything to do. I'm not the only one, fortunately.
Buttaci un colpo al coso che si è un po' dal...
Questo?
Sì.
Io non,
Una borraccia
non dico nulla.
persa, non dico nulla. Una borraccia l'ho persa.
If you can't say anything nice, don't say anything at all.
Okay.
We're now down in Campo Imperatore. It is spectacular. It's a huge valley surrounded by hills. It looks like similar to the wilds of Scotland. It's unlike anything I've ever seen in Italy. This is my first time in Abruzzo, so I've not been here before. And it's not like when you say Tuscany, people know what you're talking about immediately. You have a mental picture. When you say Abruzzo, well, this should be your mental picture. I never thought I'd be so happy to see a tarmac road after the hammering that we've taken on the stone passes up there before Campo Imperatore. We are now on a nice bit of road. It's getting dark and we're pushing again. Fun. Oh God.